Greetings and welcome back to Satisfactory. Alright, so I have been busy in the meantime. Very busy, and most of my busyness comes from over here. You might notice I have some new pollution makers. These are my coal generators. These guys are a lot more efficient than the biomass ones. They're a lot easier to deal with too in terms of fuel. As you can see, I have a container here, and I have a nice little splitter here, and this really isn't moving too quickly now, is it? No, it isn't. And I have a lot in there. As a matter of fact, I have 2 of these over at my coal site that are full. The miner has just stopped because it's all full. So, yeah, I can make as many of these as I want. I was actually planning on doing another one over here. The problem is that even if I just walk past there, I'll lose health because of that stuff. So I will probably make some in a different location. I might put one here. I'd have to move this pole. All right, so I have 2 of these. At the moment, this is powering all of that. I built another connection over there for a smelter and a constructor. So these guys are making screws. They're merging into this. And this is actually MK2. It's a fast one. You might notice it's not, when it does move, it moves much faster. The problem is the problem is the iron bars can't keep up now. See, the screws are doing great, but the iron bars are the problem. So it's just, they just can't seem to keep up. But you notice the screws are really backed up. So I may have to work on that. But you know, the thing about it is I have a lot of these rotors right now. I do. And I actually have another assembler making them too, just because there was a waste going on. All right, so but all of this and that are all being powered by that. It is taking up a lot of the wattage. Now, the biomass burners used to be 20 megawatts. These guys individually are 50. Now, I want to understand something. The consuming, sometimes things stop because it's waiting. I seen this guy peak at about 40. So I probably could throw something else onto it. You just saw 40 a minute ago. Never seen it above 40. So this one here, I probably could put one more thing on it. But you know what I found out? And I was just like, you know what? What happens if I did this? And then what happens if I did this? Now it can do 68 megawatts. You notice the little line of the maximum just went up? See, if the line below crosses the top line, everything stops. But, I mean, I could just do that. I don't have a reason to do that just yet. But, I mean, it is a contingency, right? So we're just going to move this back to 100 and put that back. I have an extra 5 slugs, though. I could do something like that. Now, this one over here is currently doing... This one peaks at about 32, right? It's doing like 28. Oh, actually 33. That one went to 33 there. So you couldn't put that. We could put a little bit more on there, you know, a bit. It couldn't take an assembler. I don't think it could take an assembler. It'd be risky. Maybe. Anyway, the cable for this one is going over here, and it's powering everything over there. With the exception of, I think, these first couple, which are coming off the hub. Yeah, these right here, this one, and this one are coming off of that hub over there. The rest of all of that, I took the biomass burners out that were in the middle, and the one that was over there, and all of these are running off that coal generator. I still have this one over here because the assembler is very expensive. And the one thing I've learned... Don't try to overclock the assembler. I put it up to 150 up there, and the wattage shot up to like 28 and shut everything down. So kind of dangerous. How are you doing? You're doing fine. Right, and you know, I had a lot of these, a lot of them, right? Even with the split that I was doing here, I'm still got a lot of those. And I started shipping extra screws over to this, and you can see they were just kind of stopping. So what I decided to do is I put another assembler down over here. And this is unfortunately a new biomass burner for now. And basically I'm having it make rotors. I have another source of rotors. It's not that efficient because I think it's running into the same problem. No, in this case it's screws. The screws are the bottleneck in this case. I could have that. You know what I could do is if I put the faster belt here. Actually, I already did put the faster belt here. And it did improve the situation, but it didn't fix it, right? Right, and I actually cut off a connection regarding the regular iron panels. The reason for that is because this is full, right? Regular iron ones. And this one filled up, and as a result, it wasn't doing the reinforced ones anymore. Because once it filled, this got backed up, and it wouldn't let the reinforced ones go through. See, like that. So I had to do something about that. So I shut down the regular production, the regular gathering, I should say, not production. Right, and of course I did lots of changes to that as I did to get the screws moving. All right, and I also did something else. You might notice, if you look at the top, I've located the other coal one. It was a very inconvenient location, but I did manage to do something about it. And like I mentioned, I have 2 full coal connections over there. 2 full containers filled. So I could really make as many of these as I want, but I really should get the coal automated. So I think it's time to start playing with trucks, or the tractor, I think it is. All right, so let's just see here now. All right, vehicles. Okay, tractor. I should probably do the station first. I have no idea how big it is. All right, let's see. Okay, it's got 2 inputs and 1 output. Okay, in this case, I'd probably... All right, what about this? Okay, because of that area, I'm guessing the truck would go there. All right, I'm going to move this over a little bit. And I'm guessing you'd want to have these available to plug in somewhere, right? So the out one here would be coming to into here, or basically just pumping in. Actually, this was the out one. So if I could have that go into there, then there it is. It's all automated, right? But I have no idea how you do this. All right, let's look at the truck station. Okay, it's all empty. Unloading, loading. Oh, I'm guessing you designate the station. Which does it do? Fuel. Okay, can I put some fuel in there? Okay. As I understand it, the station will give fuel to the vehicle. All right. I'm guessing because of the area around here that the tractor is supposed to go here. Hold on a minute. The tractor. All right, so let's make a tractor here. All right, and okay, here. All right, and then kill that. Okay. Drive. Oh, okay, it doesn't have any fuel. Hold on a minute. Workbench. Okay. Vehicle. Okay, fuel. All right, here we go. Okay. And this is just a normal workbench. Oh, okay. Oh, there's no ramp there. I better work on that. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Stop, 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 stop. Off you go. Okay, so I can drive that. I could probably run faster, by the way. I should probably do some... temporarily, I might cover the whole area in concrete, but at the moment, I should probably put ramps down. That. Hold on. Oh. It does it the right way, and then it undoes it. Right there. Okay, right there. All right, I think that'll do for now. So how does this work? Loading. Okay, this is set for loading. This is set for load. Okay, tell you what. Why don't you take some concrete? Oh, this needs power. I'm looking at the red flashing thing up there. That needs power. All right, I'm guessing the fuel is to refuel the vehicle then. All right, so this thing needs power. I think I have enough power to do this. I don't know how many watts it is, though. All right. Oh! Okay, vehicle. Oh, he got the concrete. Okay. All right, can I get in here now? Okay, so how is this supposed to happen here? Okay. Enable autopilot, cancel, recording, clear path, hide path nodes. Start path. Okay, well, you know what? Why don't we do it this way? Cancel. Right? Why don't we set this for unloading? Right? Where is it? Why don't we set this for unloading? All right. Unloading. It's probably going to grab the concrete now, right? Or maybe not, because I would have to drive it in there. Hold it a minute. Here, let us, and then... Does it still have... Let's see for a second. What do you have? Vehicle. Store all, take all. All right. Well, you know what? Let's just... What happened there? Is there a problem? It's still flashing red. I'm wondering if I overloaded something. Oh! Then it just stopped. Okay, so that was too much for it. All right, so you know what I'm going to do then? Or maybe I should string it off the other one. Okay, hold it a second. Cut this connection. All right. Oh, cut that. All right. Oh, but the other one is way back in... This is annoying. Well, first of all, I need to restart this darn thing now, right? Okay, it's going again. Good. Problem is, I put the connection for this one over here, and I can't cut it now. I guess I could overload this one for now. All right, let's just do that. All right, and then we're just going to have it go like that. I mean, I think the worst case scenario is that it basically eats up more coal. But, I mean, I'm not really having a problem with that, right? All right, so this, him, over there. Okay, now he's unloading. All right, so he's unloading now. So all I have to do is park there. Let's just check it out. Right, he's got the concrete. I'll take that, thank you. Okay, so I'm thinking what I should do is not really care too much about where I'm going from here. It's more important that it know to make the trip from the coal location, right? All right, so let me get into this. All right, and down. All right. So if I'm going to record a trip, I don't want to record this trip. Okay, so I carried the concrete up the hill, and I had it deviate just a little bit here, so I didn't know the way this was going to work, so I just did it that way. How accurate is this thing? Should I be concerned about that only being 3 wide? All right, here's what I want to do. Stop right there. All right, stop. Good. All right, see, this is exactly what I told you. See, this is full, and that one is full, and this thing's not doing anything at the moment. How are you doing for power? Yeah, no problem at all. No problem at all. All right, let's make another truck station then. I want the ends facing that way, right? Let's see. Vehicles, truck station. I have what I need. All right. I need them following. Wait a minute. Where are they? All right, hold it a minute. Is that enough room? Yeah, just place it. Right. In this case, I'd be using the inputs. Maybe I would have this turn and just go right into here. Or I could take this one and bend it around and put it into one of these. All right. So this would be loading, right? Oh, I do need... luckily, I have extra power over here. I can't imagine this thing is going to be more than 10 megawatts, right? Hold on a second. What do we got here? Oh, 0 because it's not functioning. Right. All right. Well, this should be easy way of figuring it out then. Oh, I can't. This one right here. I can't take more than one connection off. All right. All right. And kill that. All right. So how much power is that thing? Well, it's not doing anything at the moment. Right? It's not doing anything. So first of all, I probably haven't designated what it is. All right. This is going to load. All right. Let's just manually put some stuff in here now. Right, just grab some of this and throw this into here, right? Okay. Oh, you know what it is? It's putting the fuel in there. Oh, yeah, you know what? That may be a problem. Here, put that. Well, it's only for the vehicle anyway, right? I'll worry about that later. So I was trying to do the old shift click in there, but it was putting it in as fuel. Because I guess it is fuel, right? Okay, that should do for now. All right. So it's powered up. All right. So what I would want to do is I'd want to have it probably start here. I'm really concerned about this, though. Yeah, I'm a little concerned about it making that turn. Hold on a minute. Let's see. What do we have? These? Yeah, physics. It's a thing. Okay, yeah, I hate when it does that. It just scares the bejeebas out of me, right? All right, second. Ugh. It's not like I have a shortage of the stuff, right? Hold on, right there. And in there. I'm hoping that that's going to alleviate any kind of concern. Okay, so this has coal in it, right? So what I want to do is let's drive the tractor, right? All right. You know what? Maybe that direction is not a great idea. Hold it a minute. Hold it a minute. Hold on a minute. Ugh. I'm trying to... No, you know what? For initial setup, I'm probably better off doing this because I'm going to be doing it myself manually, right? All right. And... because I'm not recording this at the moment, right? Hold on. Did he put that in? No, he's loading it. Okay. Is it going in, though? Or is it just trying to put it in? It's trying and it's failing. Okay, hold on. Hold on. That one looks like it went in. No, it didn't. Hold on a minute. Okay, I don't know what I could do better. Oh, and now that it's acting, how much power is that thing using? It did spike there, didn't it? Oh, this thing is off. Oh no, that thing cannot support that power. It's malfunctioning. That's the problem. It's not actually doing the job because it required too much power. Oh, that's lovely. Okay, so then I have a little choice but to make another one of those right now. All right. Oh, that thing is 25. That thing is 25 megawatts. Okay, so it did load it now, right? Okay, it did load it. Okay, the thing is 25 mega. Oh wow, that's a lot. You know, I'm gonna have to put a coal burner down here. I don't have much of a choice in the matter because 25 running 2 of these just to run this, that don't make no sense to me. All right, so right here, it should be fine, right? Right here, it should be fine. All right, so let's do this. Okay, record. Okay, so it's recording. All right, so let's see how this works out. So if I record it in one direction, does it know to come back? That's my big question, right? All right, so I want to be careful here because I don't want to mess this up. Right there. Stop. And finish recording. Okay, did that? It got it. Okay, so that carried it all over. Okay, so now I recorded it coming from there to there. So does that mean that I can have it automatically act now? Let's see. Okay, drive tractor, right? Enable autopilot. What are you, where are you going? Okay, a little while later, and I think I finally got it. Okay, did those grow back? All right, so basically you have to run the whole path. You'll notice that the little markers here, and then they turn around here. You have to do the whole path. Okay, here he is right here. As a matter of fact, here, watch this for a second. And see, he drops them off. And then he stopped there because I stopped there. And now he's heading back. That's actually where I started there. All right. By the way, I'm going to have to get another one of these because they move really quickly. So this is actually functioning now. If you'll notice that it's shipping the coal out of there into here so it can be used in the burners right now. So that end is functioning. The other end is actually functioning too. Although the one thing I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to get a coal generator up there because I am not running to I'm not running two, what's in burners over there? Bio burners. No, I have to be careful. I don't want him to run me over or something like that. You know, I don't even know if that's possible or not. Here, give me this. I need biofuel. All of a sudden, I'm out. All right, so let's see. How is he doing here? Okay, you notice he parked in there, and he's on his way back. See, once he hits level ground, he just takes off. All right, so that is working now. So I have automated the collection of coal over here. Yeah, I'm going to, as soon as I get a chance, I'm going to, see, the problem is I actually have to get into him in order to make these go away. I can't make them go away any other way. So, and over here, like I said, this is now being automated here. So this is now going into this. But of course, he's grabbing it every time, so it's filling up. Oh, the fuel is gone. Okay, he's already used up the fuel. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, I got to get rid of these. This is ridiculous. So I'm going to have to, put a coal burner over here. And even if I manually load it, I'm going to have to do something with it because this is a little bit crazy. Can I get it over here? I guess I'd have to move that. I'd rather not push it into here. I'd rather just build out if I have to, you know what I mean? Unless I could get it over there and do a split or something like that. You know, I don't really need to do a split. I can just manually load it. All right. Is he back? Yes, he is. He got loaded. He waited a minute because I waited. And then he pulled out. Like I said, that is now automated. Now, there's one other thing I would like to do, and let's take a trip over to my other coal area. It's quite a distance away. I'm just going to point in the general direction so that you can see. It's over that way. So, guess where the other coal node that was nearby was? It was up there. And by the way, you'll notice it stopped because this thing filled up already. Right, so what I did was I built a long ramp up here because there was no other way to get up, as you can see. That's pretty high indeed. And I had to put a bio burner up here for just that purpose, but one of them isn't going to drain that very quickly. So I was up here, and as you can see, yeah, physics are a thing, right? Actually, is that berries down there? I nearly need berries. Anyway, it turns out, okay, don't die. It turns out it's quite a fortuitous location. Allow me to demonstrate, because this is actually where I did the little setup in the quick hop that I did of this game on my main channel. And these nodes are normal. So there's two normal modes. There's actually a limestone over there. There's a copper down around the end here. See, if I go over to the edge, and I did end up building a ramp in my my little time here. Build a ramp down there. It's right over there. There's a copper node right there. So I was thinking that I would set up shop here, independent of everything else, with the coal. And I got lots of room to place the generators down. I mean, I got lots of room around here, right? Except, of course, I don't want to go over that edge, right? But lots of room for that. Lots and lots of room. So that's the reason I've already started setting up shop over here. I got the equipment one, and I got the crafting bench over here. So I want to manufacture a couple of things here. So I'm thinking this one I might use for steel creation, because I am getting the coal coming down, so I can get the what does they call it? The foundry, and make steel stuff over here. Now over here, I could go over this way, which you can see there's plenty of room, and I could make the frames. Where are they here? These right here, the modular frames, because I need 500 of them. So I am really going to be setting up shop over here. So that is going to be a good thing. And as I said, it was very fortuitous. But yeah, I had to build all the way up there in order to get there. There were a couple of fire-breathing dudes up there who really didn't like me. And they ate through a lot of my the healing stuff I was carrying with me. By the way, I have researched the healing thing, but the little healing thing, but I'm having trouble locating one of the items that I need for that. Before I can even scan for it. Yeah, I'm looking over here because I think there's berries up here. Yes, that looks incredibly safe, doesn't it? I wouldn't mind if they made us had to put pillars in or something like that. Yeah, that. But at the moment they don't, so I have no intention of doing it. So anyway, coal, it's a thing. It's in use. And it's automated in many cases. This one is going to be automated, certainly, because I'm going to have the generators. I'm going to have it going right into the generators. And I am going to have lots of stuff here. The pollution will flow. So anyway, thank you very much for your attention. I really appreciate it. And play games, because games are fun. See ya.